Cold lonely streets and neon signs. People from behind their blinds, yeah. We gotta be all they ever see is a fool in the dark, alone in the park. Let somebody love me.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, I'm more Coachella, less Coachella. No cut on my slabs, you niggas know better. You can tell we working by the porch light. Supply 350s with the orange stripe. The door flew off after one kick. We robbed everybody, we was on shit. Snatching bricks like Biombo. Fashion week, 10 coppers in the Diablo. Motherfucker, I'm a legend. Motherfucker, I'm a legend.
Give you what you need.
Hey yo, the GLE Benz was all gold. The bag full of text that all fold. Gold yard duffel with the Mighty Mouse. 4 bedrooms, that's a tiny house. I'm about to go stove shopping. We gon' get rich if the O's lockin'. 100 round drums for you fuck. Beef with me, I wish you best of luck. Motherfucker, I'm a legend. Motherfucker, I'm a legend. Hey yo, I'm looking like an off-white lookbook. 2 bricks for 50, that's a good look. My chain made your bitch extra wet. So I fucked in the test legs. So many chains on, I wish I had an extra neck. Extendo clip pigging out the cot while it sweats. Baking soda in the recipe. Waking up the pretty bitches laying next to me. And RSVP went Cav Vimp crazy. Club Monet wish he was living so he could paint me. Motherfucker, I'm a legend. Motherfucker, I'm a legend.
All right, here we go again. Get ready, because this Monday night it's all going to happen as part of SummerSlam 88 from Madison Square Garden in New York City, the wrestling extravaganza of this summer. By the way, be part of it right now. Get on the horn and call. Make arrangements for this Monday night on a pay-per-view basis all over the country, by the way, and SummerSlam 88. Most fun, by the way, you could have with your clothes on.